Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigiTwise. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a custom dictation shortcut on Mac. So if the built-in shortcut options don't work for you, Mac also lets you create your own custom shortcut for dictation. This allows you to choose a key combination that's easier to remember and fits better with your workflow. So before creating a custom shortcut, try choosing a combination that isn't already being used for another app or system features. So to create one for you, click on the Apple logo at the top left and then choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to keyboard. After that, find shortcut option and then click on the drop down menu right to it. Now here choose customize. Now when the shortcut field appears, press the key combination you would like and make sure the shortcut is easy to remember, doesn't conflict with the other shortcut you use regularly. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.